Hello everyone, welcome back to Nikhil's Learning World. In this today's lecture, we will understand what C programming is and also learn about the history of C language. So friends, basically what is C programming? So C is a general purpose programming language that is used to develop like operating system, embedded system software, applications. It is also for its speed, efficiency, and flexibility. C is also called the mother of many programming languages because many modern languages like Java, C++, and other are derived, derived from these C concepts. Okay, so let's see about the history of C language. C language was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories. It was mainly created to develop the UNIX operating system because its a powerful feature and performance. C becomes one of the most widely used programming language in the world. Why should we learn C? So basically, there are many reasons to learn C language. It builds strong programming logic. It's help understand memory management. It is also useful for the interview and academics. It is the fundamental of many other languages. Okay, so summary behind this C programming is, so what is C? History of C. Why learning the C is important. So this all about the C basics. Okay, so in this lecture we will see all these things. In the next lecture we will start with the structure of C program. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to this Nikhil's Learning World channel. Okay, thank you.